Hello. So today I'll be presenting on my final project called telesalud. So in today's fast-paced world, accessing healthcare facilities efficiently it remains a challenge for many individuals. Patients often face difficulty in finding suitable medical care within their locality, access reliable information about medical specialties, scheduling appointments, and also obtaining prescribed medications online. Therefore, I've developed a digital solution called telesalud web app that allow users to search for hospitals within their locality, view hospitals based on the countries they are in, view hospitals based on specialty, and also order medications online. So now let's move straight to our code. This is our code. So now let's start from the hospital search. So this is the backend code that fetch the hospitals based on functionality, based on specialty and countries. So this data selects the hospital names and other details from the database. And it also displays a card that shows the hospital details. So this is the code that searches for hospitals based on functionality. This is the backend code that does that. And this is the HTML output. So on click, when the user click on book appointment, so user is able to book appointment. So this is the booking appointment page. So if upon click, this page takes the user to the open booking model. So this insert the bookings or the booking details into the database. So now let's move on to the virtual pharmacy.php. So with the virtual pharmacy.php, so here it allows users to make one-time purchase or add to their cart. So if you want to make a one-time purchase, which takes the add to cart the functionality in my.js, that takes the ID and the necessary details. So this is it. And then let's move on to the checkout.php. So what the checkout.php does is that it takes you to the Stripe API, which allow users to make payments either by card or by link. And then we have the checkout by. So the checkout by, if a user want to buy directly from the page without having to add up to their cart, this is the page they will use. The logic is kind of the same. The only difference is that you don't have to add to your cart. And here's the cancel page and the success page.php. So now let's move straight to the demo. Now this is the demo. Let's hide our floating. So now this is the demo. So this is the telesalud page, the about us page, contact us page if you want to send us a message. If you want to sign up for a news alert, we are available, and these are social media handles. So now let's move on to the search. So this allows a user to browse the hospital search. So this contains a list of hospitals a user can search from. So you can search by specialty. So let's say I want neurological hospitals around, and there's the list of hospitals around. And you can also search by country. So the country, you have the USA, and this pulls all the hospitals in US. And let's say I want to book an appointment. So let's say I'll use the name Mama Arthur. So with this page, you don't have to log in before. 025. Okay. So you just want to review your health. But wait, let me remove this and let me remove that. Now let's try to submit. All right. So it tells me that I need to fill out this form. All right, so let me fill out this form. Let me try and submit. And also tells me that I have to try. Okay, all right, so booking successful. So this is how this page works. And I can even book appointment without having to choose, without it basing on functionality and specialty. Here's the book appointment where I can do same. So now let me take you through the virtual. So the virtual pharmacy, due to the payment involvement, you have to sign up before you can access the virtual pharmacy. So let's say we have Jemima Owusu. Their email is jemima@gmail.com. And the password. So let's enter the password, which will later be hashed. Yes. But now let's enter a wrong password. Let's enter our phone number. Okay, our address is, let's say, Rando. Now let's try and submit. Yeah, so it tells me that my password should be at least 8 characters long, and my password does not match. So now let's re-enter our password. Now let's re-enter our password. All right. So now let's log in. Now let me remove the email and try and submit. Now my password matched, but my email is empty. So now everything is fine. Let's submit. Yeah, so now it takes us to our login page where we can log in. Jemima Owusu. So here we will enter our email. So let's enter our password. All right, let's try and sign. It says please enter a valid email. So let's say Jemima. Oh, sorry. Jemima@gmail.com, and then yeah. So now this is our virtual pharmacy where you can order any medication. So let's add cough syrup to our cart. Now let's go to the cart. Yeah, so this is the cough syrup. So now I want to update. I don't want to buy cough syrup again. So now I want to buy vitamin C. Let me go to my cart. Yes, and this is the vitamin C. So now let me order and it's $10. So these are dummy data in my database. So here I can either order with my card or go back. Because I didn't make payment, it tells me payment cancelled. So let's return to cart. All right. So let's say I want to buy the medication. I want to make one-time purchase without having to add to my cart. So now let's see. Yeah, so it brings me to the same page with the same logic. I don't have card details, so I can't actually make real payments. So that's basically the functionalities.